Hey guys, Realme is emerging as one of the finest smartphone brand in 2019 and in future it is going to launch a number of amazing smartphones. Recently in Realme camera innovation event, the brand confirmed that its next generation smartphone will have quad rear cameras. These next generation smartphone will also arrive before December 2019. The Realme series that will get quad rear cameras include the successor to Realme 3, Realme 3 Pro and Realme X. Yes, the Realme X will get a successor this year, which is Realme X Pro. Realme shared a photo of the rear of the upcoming phones along with their predecessor. All three upcoming phones share the same camera design stacked vertically on the left side. The image reveals more than just the camera designs. As you can see, none of the phones have rear mounted fingerprint scanner, which means they will mostly likely feature in-display fingerprint scanners and OLED displays. The Realme 3 successor, which should launch as the Realme 5, will be available in dark blue, while the Realme 5 Pro will come in a purple gradient finish. The successor to the Realme X will have a red gradient finish. The Realme X successor, most definitely the one getting the 64MP camera sensor. It will use Samsung's ISO Cell Bright GW1 sensor, which is a 64MP sensor, guarantees incredible picture quality. Realme says they will be first smartphone brand with a 64MP camera in India and Asian countries. Realme also revealed that the phones will come with the camera features such as ultra resolution, super wide angle, ultra macro, telephoto lens, portrait mode, expert mode, panorama mode, ultra nightscape mode and chroma boost. Realme says that this phone will launch before December 2019, which is a festival season in India. So it is expected that these phones will launch in the month of October and November 2019. So Realme is going to gift really amazing smartphones to its users in the late 2019. So this is all about the upcoming smartphone from Realme, which has got a quad camera setup for incredible picture quality. Hope you like the video. What do you feel? Which one is your favorite Realme phone? Please comment in the comment section. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.